also, I do remember me saying that I was going to show you guys my senior pictures, so I will put them right here. I took about 14. I didn't like all of them. These are the only 2 or 3 I really like. So, yeah. Even though you're all alone when I am gone, I just want to keep you warm. I'm coming back, I want to touch. Now I'm so far away, I'm stuck. All I want to touch. Now I'm so far away. So hello my homies, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you are new, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family. So right here we have a guest star, Julissa. I'll put her Instagram right here. Go ahead and say your Instagram. Go ahead and say your Instagram. Official.red. Okay, is that all you got? Okay. But as you can see my channel today, we're doing a wig install. And this is the company, WonderGirl hair. I bought this wig myself. This is the wig. Y'all don't mind how stuff right now. It's kind of a mess. But it came in a bag and a net. And basically, it's a 13 ounces weight. 100% and it's an average cap. And I think it's in the color black. But it came with a wig cap. It came with lashes and stuff. I didn't even open all this inside this video. It came with an elastic band and all that. Let's get right into the video. I might even post it on I might what you doing? Yeah. I look fine. Ooh, this one they want? We were just rambling, but basically I put on a black cap just so if I decided to put powder on the brown cap, it wouldn't go on my hair, because I don't really want my hair, like when I take this off, I'm not washing my hair. So that's the reason I'm putting on a black cap. Basically, I just put foundation on a little cap and spread it around so it wouldn't be so liquidy. And I put it on top of my lace to tint it a little bit. Even though I already bleached it, I just like to do this because it matches my skin better.
Boy, if you don't get
So she's not going to be in the rest of these clips because I had to go take her home. Mind you, this all happened at 12 midnight. So it was really late anyway. This is me after I got out the shower, you know, whatever. I didn't do my edges on this side last night, but I just brushed it out or whatever. I like it, but I'm finna do my edges even though they're down, and I kind of wanted edges like right here, so that's what I'm finna do right now. Alright, you guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I did my edges. As you can see, I have glue left over from last night, but I'm not gonna let it bother me because whatever. You know, just finished off doing my edges. There was some glue right here, but I tried to put it down, but I'm blind, so I don't really know how that side turned out, but my hair is covering it anyway. But yeah, I like this hair. It turned out better than what I thought it was gonna be, because when I was practicing it, well, molding it on my head, when I wasn't planning on installing it yet, it had a lot of stuff going on, and I didn't like the curl pattern, how it stayed when it dried. But I like how puffy it is right here. I like this a lot. I like it a lot. So yeah, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on.